Have you ever wondered how the iconic sails of the Sydney Opera House came to be? This globally recognised masterpiece, a symbol of Australia, stands proud with its complex design that defies conventional architectural norms. The intricate process of its creation, fraught with challenges, weaves a tale as captivating as the performances it hosts. From concept to completion, each detail of its construction paints a picture of ingenuity and perseverance. Today we take a journey back in time to understand the making of this architectural marvel. It all started in the late 1950s with a vision. A vision that would transform Sydney's skyline and put Australia on the map of architectural wonders. In 1957, an international competition was held, a call to architects worldwide to design an opera house that would be a symbol of the 20th century. Among 233 entries from 32 countries, it was Danish architect Jørn Utzon's design that caught the jury's attention. His design was innovative, daring, and like nothing anyone had ever seen before. It was a masterpiece that resembled the sails of a ship, a fitting tribute to Sydney's harbour city status. But it wasn't without controversy. Critics called it unbuildable, too ambitious. Supporters, however, saw the potential, the boldness, the chance to make a statement. Utzon's vision was both celebrated and criticised, but no one could deny its potential to redefine Sydney's skyline. It was a vision that promised a future where architecture was not just functional but artistic and symbolic. Transforming Utzon's vision into reality was no small feat. The construction process that began in 1959 was filled with a myriad of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles was creating the unique shell-like structure of the Opera House. This was not just a matter of aesthetics, but a complex engineering problem that had to be solved. The original design proposed by Utzon was based on complex curves, which proved to be an engineering nightmare. The construction team had to come up with new methods and techniques to build these shell-like structures, which were unlike anything ever built before. This led to a lot of trial and error, costing time and money. The intricate geometric design was so complex that the construction team had to use a computer to calculate the specific dimensions of each shell. This was one of the first times a computer was used in such a way in architecture, adding another layer of complexity to the project. Moreover, the location of the Opera House posed another set of challenges. Building on Bennelong Point, a small peninsula jutting out into Sydney Harbour, required special considerations. The land had to be reshaped and reinforced to support the massive structure. At the same time, the team had to ensure that the construction process did not harm the surrounding environment, especially the harbour. As the project progressed, the costs started to spiral out of control, leading to public outcry and political interference. This resulted in Jørn Utzon's resignation in 1966, adding another layer of difficulty to the project. His departure led to a shift in design philosophy and the appointment of a new team of architects to complete the project. Despite the numerous obstacles, the Opera House's shell structure was completed in 1967, a testament to human ingenuity and persistence. The completion of the shell structure marked a significant milestone in the construction of the Opera House and set the stage for the next phase of construction. The challenges faced and overcome during this phase are a testament to the resilience and determination of the architects, engineers and construction workers who brought Utzon's vision to life. With Utzon's departure, the task of completing the interior fell to Australian architect Peter Hall. Hall and his team faced a daunting challenge: to bring to life the vision of a man who had left the project midway. Yet they took on the mantle with aplomb, modifying Utzon's designs to ensure the project's completion. The team's unwavering dedication and relentless commitment resulted in a masterpiece that was ready to take centre stage in the world of architecture. The grand inauguration of the Sydney Opera House in 1973 by Queen Elizabeth II marked a new chapter in the annals of architectural history. The world watched in awe as the curtains were raised on a structure that defied conventional design norms and stood as a testament to human imagination and ingenuity. The Sydney Opera House, now a reality, instantly became a symbol of Australia's cultural and architectural prowess. Its sails, reaching for the sky, mirrored the soaring aspirations of a nation ready to make its mark on the world stage. As with any great structure, the Opera House has seen its share of changes and upgrades. Over the years, the Sydney Opera House has been through a series of renovations, each one aimed at enhancing its beauty and functionality. One of the most significant upgrades was the introduction of a new cooling system in the 2002. This innovative system uses seawater from the harbour, ensuring the building remains cool even during the sweltering Australian summers. The year 2017 marked another major renovation. The concert hall, the largest venue in the Opera House, was upgraded with state-of-the-art acoustics and a new ceiling. These renovations were carried out to ensure that the Opera House continues to provide an unparalleled auditory experience. But the Opera House isn't just known for its architectural beauty and the quality of performances it hosts. In 2007, it gained global recognition when it was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This was a significant milestone that affirmed the Opera House's place among the world's most important cultural sites. The Sydney Opera House is more than just a building. It's a symbol of Australia's cultural prowess and architectural ingenuity. It represents the country's willingness to push boundaries and take risks, even in the face of adversity. From a controversial design to a beloved icon, the Sydney Opera House stands as a testament to the power of vision, resilience, and architectural brilliance. So, what makes the Sydney Opera House more than just a building? Well, it's not merely about bricks and mortar or the stunning sails that crown its structure. The Sydney Opera House is a testament to the power of architecture to shape culture and society. It has become a symbol of Australia, a beacon of human ingenuity and artistic expression. Its design has influenced architecture globally, encouraging architects to push boundaries, to create buildings that are not just functional, but also aesthetically captivating. It has shown the world that a building can be more than just a shelter. It can be a work of art, a piece of history, and a cultural icon. The Sydney Opera House's legacy is not confined to its physical presence. It's a legacy of inspiration, challenging us to think beyond the conventional. It's a testament to the human spirit's capacity to dream, to create, and to endure. The Sydney Opera House is not just a building, but a symbol of human potential, creativity, and the enduring spirit of innovation.